Okay, so today we'll be opening up this used Amsoil oil filter, number EA017. And I got this used Amsoil oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is Mason from Ware, New Hampshire. Thanks, Mason. This oil filter was in service for 3 months, 5,036 miles, and came off of Mason's 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 Trail Boss pickup truck. Yep, the one with the 6.2 liter V8 engine, which now has 59,969 miles. He was using Amsoil Signature Series 0W40 oil during this period. So let's get started.
You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight. Get your end of here, filtration.
Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. The date code 081925. Product of USA. This is a sticker on here. 25,000 mile oil change interval. Filter number. Amsoil. Okay. I looked up Amsoil's website and they no longer sell these. It's a Champ made. So this filter has 6 inlet holes, metal core with louvers, bypass valve at the dome end. Looks like 4 grooves there for threads, and a nitro rubber gasket, which looks pretty thick. I'll put the thickness of this gasket up on the screen. Okay, let's open this filter up and see what it looks like. A little bit of oil. Okay. Looks like the drain back valve is working good. Silicone drain back valve. Let's take a look at it up close. Okay, I don't see no slits or tears. Yeah, nice and springy. And no sludging going on, that's good. Okay. And the filter element. Metal end caps. Nice and clean. And let's see where the seam is. Where is it? Looks like it's right there. Crimp seam right there. Now I'll put the number of pleats on the screen. So this is a full synthetic media with a micron rating of 99% at 20 microns. Yeah, it all looks pretty good. Looks like it's got some dirt in there. I don't know if that's dirt, oil. Pleats, they're pretty good. They're not, you know, there's a couple little small gaps, but nothing too big. Looks good. Okay, we got the bypass valve right here, bypass leaf spring. Okay, that's open up nice. And this has a setting of 18 to 24 psi. Okay, I don't see no sludging going on there either. But I'll have this sitting like this, having it all drain out. I'll put the measurements of this can up on the screen. Seems like a pretty thick can. Yeah, all right. Let's get the width of this filter. Okay, 3.32 inches wide, minus 1/10 of an inch for the end caps. All right. Let me open this filter up, squeeze it out, stretch it out. Now let's see what it looks like under a microscope. Be right back. Okay, here's the Amsoil filter all stretched out. And it's 32.25 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.85 millimeters thick. This is the filtering side. This is the back side. If we take a look at this under a microscope, you're going to see that it's very dirty. I couldn't get any light to come from underneath, so I had to get the light on top. And that's how I got the picture. So let's take a look at that microscope picture. So like I said, this filter is very dirty for 5,000 miles, considering Mason's engine only has, the truck has 59. This side is clean here. The truck only has 59,000 miles, 60,000 miles actually, around 60,000. It's a pretty dirty filter media. But this is the metal backing that it has. Oh, I forgot to take out my magnet out here, but these are magnetic. So this is a steel, metal steel backing, I would say. And this is, all of it throughout the whole filter. Let's take a look at this filter media up close. So you can see it's very dirty. I mean, it's got some light spots. And I did take a UV light. Yeah, check it out. I saw a couple sparklies. Not showing up too good though right now. I think it's because of the camera light and the UV light. It just doesn't, sparklies don't really show up too good. Let me try it without the light on here at all. So I'll take that UV light right off. Actually, I think you could see them better. See, right there was one. See that? Oh, so let me try it with the UV light. I don't know, you could see it there, but I think it's better without it. Alright, and let's take a look at the rest of the filter. Okay, so we went over these components. The gasket, it's a nice thick gasket. Main drain bag valve, silicone. It's nice, it doesn't have no tears, slits or nothing. Held the oil back. Bypass valve. That looks good. There's no sludging going on here, so that's good. And so let's take a look at these louvers. Right, you can see those are opened up. No problem there. And the can. Inside the can, I had it sitting like this. Nice and clean in there. Yeah, it's clean as a whistle. For some reason, the filter's just all dirty. Everything got trapped into the filter, which is a good idea. It's a good thing. It just seems kind of dirty for 5,000 miles, especially on an engine that's only got 60,000 miles. What do you guys think? Please post your comments down below. And again, I want to thank Mason for sending me this used Amsoil oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.